Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead Season 6, Episode 16. The last episode of this Season 6. What is gonna happen during it? I have my theories about it. If you are there since a long time for my reaction videos about the Fear the Walking Dead, you know that I have my theories about it. I predicted, that it was gonna be a nuclear explosion or a radiation situation with these kids because of the fact that the cult, they were considering themselves as the elite, and they were talking about being the new beginning, about being the ones who have to survive to everything. They still want to go on a bunker for entire years. They are preparing themselves for that. So for me, it was a nuclear explosion, a radiation situation, and everyone on the ground, would die. Them on a bunker, they would survive, blocked for entire years into the bunker, and then so now that they have succeeded with this thing, which came out of this military boat things, submarine boat. Now what? For me, we have one entire episode to find a place to hide, to be safe. Maybe we need to go on the same bunker, in fact, than the cult, because we don't know any other one. The hoarding, we destroyed it. Which place do we know right now in which we can be safe for some time, for some years, but we can't be prepared enough in just a few hours like that? I mean, we can't have all of the food, all of the resources that we need to stay right there for a long time. So for me, the cult bunker can be a good idea. So are we gonna be forced to live with them? Are we gonna take it by force and kill all of them, or the majority of them, or just some of them? I really don't know what can happen, but I really can see that as a solution, or at least it's the solution that I want, in a weird way, because it means that a lot of people are gonna die on their side, but also maybe on our side, because of the fact that I think that for the story, for the characters and all, it could be so interesting to have that, to have all of them blocked in a bunker for years, and then Season 7 we are beginning after a big time jump, after a time jump of years, and we would discover new characters, characters who changed a lot because they lived a lot of issue in these bunkers and all. It would be so interesting for the development of the characters, it would push it a lot, and also for the story it would bring a lot of questions, a lot of morality, society subjects also. That could be so great. For the story, for the characters, I would really appreciate that. But again, it would mean that some characters would die in our side and on their side. So I don't know. I don't know if it can happen. Maybe I'm too influenced, by The 100, because into The 100 it happened. A time jump like that with persons blocked on a bunker, and I really loved that narrative arc on The 100. I'm not going to talk about the last season, the mess that it was, the disappointment, the anger, the fact that Jason Rosenberg is a fucking dickhead and that I can hate him for life, but I don't want to give him that credit, so I'm not even talking about it anymore. And I can't rewatch The 100 just because of the last season. I'm not going to talk about it. But that's it, maybe I'm too influenced by that, maybe not, maybe it can really happen. At least for me, if it's not, us being forced to be blocked in a bunker, in a place like that for years, we still need a place to be safe. We still need to find somewhere, yes, where we can be safe, where we can be okay, to escape maybe from that territory. I don't know, I really don't know. And which is bothering me also, it's the fact that for now we are not all reunited. I told you during the intro of my last episode that I was wondering about reacting to the season 7. I didn't take my decision at all. Thank you, really thank you to those of you who responded to me and who also understood my reasons, the fact that I love this show and these characters, and this season 6 is great. You know, after the season 5 I was already wondering about continuing or not to react to this show, but it was because of the season 5, which was bad. Right there, this season 6 is good, the characters, I love them, the show, I want to continue to watch it, but I'm wondering about continuing to react to it or not, because I don't have a lot of views, which is not something which is bothering me, not really in fact, but for the time that I'm spending, you know, filming these videos, editing them, exporting them, downloading them, fighting with YouTube, with AMC a lot, so I have to re-edit the videos, export them again, to download them again, so maybe I'm gonna be forced to fight again, to re-edit again and all. Like, you didn't see it, but during this season, sometimes I had to fight and to edit at least 3 or 4 different versions for one video, for one part of the video, you know, for one part of an episode. So it's taking me a lot of time. I'm doing that for fun, and you know, I have to think about it, the time that I'm spending on it, for in fact the number of persons who are watching it. But you guys, you were so sweet to respond to me and to be like, I understand your reasons, just know that if you're continuing to watch it, to react to it, I will be there. That's really sweet, and that's reminding me also why I'm making that, and the fact that yes, the number of views was never important for me, not at all, and I'm just doing that because I love a show and I want to talk about it, and as long as some persons are watching them and are enjoying them, I want to continue. So see, I'm fighting between my heart, which would be like, yes, I'm gonna continue just for you, even if you're just 2 or 3 to watch my videos, I'm gonna continue for you. And the reasonable side, which is like, come on girl, really, do you have the time to do that again for a new year? I don't know. I didn't take my decision, not right now. I don't think that I'm gonna take it today. Maybe I would give you news about that on Twitter in some days, you know, some weeks when I would have the time to think about it, and or maybe I'm not gonna decide until I would see the trailer of the next season. No matter what, no worries, I'm gonna tell you, you know, if I'm gonna react to it or not before the first episode of the season 7. Or maybe I thought about it also, maybe just continuing it, but only on Patreon. So I'm not gonna have to fight with YouTube and to do all of these versions of the same video, which is in fact taking me all of this time that I don't want to spend anymore on this show. Like, normally for one video I'm taking what, 4 hours for editing, for exporting, for downloading, for the pictures, the links and all of that. It's 4 hours. And for Fear the Walking Dead, with all of these different versions, it's sometimes 6 or 8 hours. So, you know, it's this additional time that I don't want to spend anymore on this show, or at least that I'm wondering about spending again on this show. So, yes, I thought about it, maybe just doing it for Patreon. I don't know. That's options, you know, that I have on my mind. I have to take a decision. Not today. No matter what, today you're gonna have this video on YouTube. I'm gonna fight for it, so you're gonna have it on YouTube. And also on Patreon with an extended or full reaction part. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now and let's go for this episode 16, the last one. Who is gonna die? That's the question. I think that a lot of persons are gonna die on their side. I hope that Teddy is gonna die. For an obscure reason, I don't want Riley to die. I really think that this character can be interesting. Or maybe it's just me who loves how this actor is playing. I don't know why, but I really had something for how this actor is playing. You know, his face, the intensity of the emotions on his face. I can see him, you know, this actor for me, I think that he can do a lot of different emotions, a lot of different things. He can interpret a lot of different things, and the character on himself can evolve a lot on a lot of different directions. Yes, I said a lot. So I really think that it can be, yes, it can be interesting to keep that character. But Teddy has to die, I really hope so. I think that a lot of persons want Dakota to die. I'm not sure yet. Would be okay, you know, if she would die. I'm not gonna fight for her. And on our side, I'm scared, you know, for the secondary characters. For the main ones, I think that they're all gonna survive. But the secondary ones, I'm scared for them, you know, the rabbi, all of that kind of character who are there but who are not really used a lot. I'm scared that at some point, in particular during a moment like that, they're gonna take that opportunity to erase them. So I'm scared for them. Let's go for this episode 16! I didn't talk about Strange, you know, and what he did during the last episode. You know what I think about it, the fact that I like the character for all of his development and for some things, you know, into his character, the fact that he's loyal to himself and to what he thinks. But of course I don't like things that he can do bad ones, like sacrificing Morgan. Their little story implies a lot for all of people who are just trying to survive around here. Really, Morgan? You're thinking like that? You're not gonna try to survive? Ah. Don't die right now, please. You have a baby? It's you? Promise me you'll find someone. I love how you are thinking. And you seem to be so brave and all. But do we really have the time to deal with you? Oh. Find someone. Promise me that you'll find someone. Dads are gonna come if you're continuing to cry. Yeah, you're brave. For sure. Doggy, tell me that you're gonna find someone. The warhead. He's so cute. He deserves to survive. Wait for your dog. No! Wait for your dog. Please. What now?
You're finding people. Promise me you'll find someone, please.
You're gonna kill yourself? No. You're so brave to do something like that, you know? To think about all of that, about the dog, about putting your baby right there so you can't eat your own baby. You? I swear we need to kill you. And no, you're not Jesus. It's only gonna be little stories like that for the final episode?
What bunker? One where they're holding Alicia. One where we can all ride this thing out.
Riley told the truth?
I was with the radio. I heard a voice.
I said that I wanted to keep him, that this actor, this character can be so great.
You sure you heard what you're telling us?
I'm not sure.
Oh. Are we gonna take the bunker? Or are we gonna live with the cult guys?
Why tell us about the bunker now, so
Mm.
Why not just remain silent and die for your cause?
That was a plan, no? Or is it a trap?
Damn breaks this one out. I know you doubt us. You think we're all insane. It's just the beginning.
See, that actor is so great. He can have so many emotions.
Don't make it understand yet. Like Phoenix.
I love you too. You can stay alive also.
He wasn't working the hotel. He was one of them.
You need to stay alive, and you too.
So he's through? Running was with you? He lost his faith when we saw him.
I was just saying, I want you to stay alive. Are you fucking kidding me? No.
Coordinates.
I mean, yes, okay, because they were lying and oh, you've got me, writers. You really got me.
I'll drive you. We're gonna have some beer, maybe some pretzels.
Serious?
Yeah.
No, you don't have the time for that. You need to survive.
And this is how I want to go out. Okay? Just us.
No? Dwight. No. No fucking way. Dwight. Oh, Dwight. Dwight, I swear you have to survive. How can you choose to not fight?
We get a place like this. We found each other. We found each other. After everything.
Ma,
That doesn't just happen.
thank you to realize that.
The past.
So late.
We wasted so much time just being pissed off.
I understood
Like
you.
Bad guys.
You had your reason. Oh my dear. Come on.
Everything you've done, you have nothing to be sorry. You still have this life. Okay.
Fight to survive. No! Not the spirit that I want.
Storm's still out back. We saw the missile. We were loaded up to go down there. When these jackasses showed up.
Started ranting about the end is the beginning.
That's the assaults that we're searching.
Baby's face. It's okay, bro.
Hello, you.
Get it back for you.
Do that. I don't understand why you're there, you, and not with the other ones
Come on!
into the big bunker.
I think I'm gonna do for you what you tried to do for that nice family back there. And that's giving you a front row seat to the shit show that you helped bring down on us.
Enjoy the view, asshole.
Guys.
That's the best idea in a long time.
Well, maybe we're both right.
About what?
Helping people. Making sure the bad guys don't win. Come on, get us out.
Come on, get inside. You're not gonna spend years into that thing.
Sorry.
Sorry, what's wrong?
Not killing him?
I saved more.
No, not a single one of them ever really understand what I'm doing the way you do.
Can you have a car accident, both of you, please?
Here we are, from all safe. We would match soon if we found each other sooner.
Let that kid alone.
Step away from the girl, Teddy.
Aha!
I'm not here for you. I'm here for her.
You're just trying to make me change my mind like your son did.
He's right, what he told you. You can still make his life, your life, mean something. Still founded in himself. To forgive me years later.
What's that have to do with me?
I forgive you for killing John.
Not me!
You have nothing to feel sorry about. Nothing.
You really mean that?
I do.
Of course she's there!
alone. I forgive myself.
Not me! Don't even try!
I didn't kill Virginia. After I lost John, I lost what he believed. But I found it again. So can you.